told you I'd make more time for you. And today we are making Squirtle. And the instructions say right there that I got to attach the head, this cute whale head, to the middle of his head, which is right here. So attaching it. Attach. Alrighty, good. Now that's attached. Now we gotta attach. What else do we gotta put in here? So gotta put the. Okay, perfect. I'm done that, so just gotta put. Really, I gotta do this the other way. And put this piece right there. Perfect. And I gotta put this piece right there. Also perfect. And I gotta put this piece right there. And then boom, we're done the head. Alrighty. Now, what we want to do next is we're gonna have to attach. Where's the body? Alright, so this is his chest. And we want to attach chest to his two little feet. His human's so cute. It's hop, 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 hop. Alrighty. So we're just gonna put that right about, where do we put that? The instructions say, okay, I made a mistake. We gotta put this here. Then we gotta put this here. Okay, I don't know what to do. Now I know what to do. Alrighty. The instructions say that we gotta put this there. That hurt. Shove it onto the. Perfect. Done that one. Did I do that right? No. Oh no, no, I totally didn't. I'm getting dumber every day. Alrighty. Now I know what to do. Finally. I got to attach this, and just leave it there. We're not even attaching it to that, because this shell, this is gonna put itself right here. There we go. And that's when we attach the, okay. Perfect. And that's when we attach this here. Boom. And that's when we attach this here. Yeah. Come on, get on. Get up. Perfect. Alrighty. And then, once we got, okay, I put the legs on backwards. Well, that doesn't matter. Anyway, so we got this. The legs are, backwards. But that's okay. That doesn't matter. I don't think. I'll just put his head on the opposite direction, because I'm pretty sure that we put a shell on the other side to make it look that the other side's really the front and that side's really the back. So I'm actually getting smarter every day. This is cool. Alrighty, and then we put this there. And put this there. And once we got that there, then boom. Perfect. Did that. And then now we got to, it says that we got to, attach the turtle to the back. Yeah. Attach the turtle to the back. The Squirtle, I'd say. Or the shell, I guess. And, oh no, we gotta put the tail on this side. You know what, we're just gonna switch up the shells. This doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, this was perfect. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, you turtle. Or should I say Squirtle? Keep on getting them both mixed up. Because it's like a turtle shell. But really, it's a Squirtle shell. Play of words. Alrighty. Put that there. We put these feet here. Come on, get in. Yes. Where'd the other foot go? Oh, there it is. Alrighty. Then we put this there. To the very next day, ba ba ba. I don't care about that song. And then we put this on back. And then we put this right. Or no, we put this right. Attach it like here. And then that's when we poke this to his butt, had the tail. And then we want to put this right here. And then boom, Squirtle. Wait, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Boom, we got a Squirtle. And then Pokeball. Where'd the other side of it go? Perfect. And then we can put the Squirtle on top of the Pokeball. And then, boom. Pokemon. Shoot, the camera just fell. Boom. Squirtle. Alrighty. Now, if I haven't told you already, which I think I didn't, make sure that you subscribe and leave a like on this video. And share it. Please share me. I need to be shared. Take me.